Hey guys, Memecoin market is heating up. That's why today I'm going to show you the easiest and the cheapest way how to launch your own successful and profitable Memecoin project. If we jump into pump.fun, you can see right now we have lots of trending Memecoin projects in millions, some of them at 500,000, 2 million. And again, this shows us that the meme market is again showing some activity and the money is pouring back. And again, this shows us that it's a great opportunity to launch your own Memecoin project and of course, profit of all this money influx. That's why they're going to show you a really cool new platform called CopyMeme. You can find the link in the description that lets you launch your own meme coins, copy all the other popular meme coins in seconds. And what's best for us, it's super cheap, it's fast, and you can track your profits all in one platform. So as usual, first of all, let's check out the platform. Let's talk about all the different features. And later I'm going to show you how to actually use it and how to launch your own tokens. So copy trading meme coins in one click. And this is basically the main utility of this platform, and they actually plan to add more utilities, volume bots, bundlers. So find trading coins on pump.fun, click once and deploy your copy on Radium or also on pump.fun. And if you scroll down, you can see some of the trading coins right now on the pump.fun. You can actually have this in grid to see the replies, see the market caps. You also have unlimited list of different tokens. And if you want to copy them, you can actually do it just in one click. So for example, we have this trending coin at $30 million, and you can actually click copy and just launch a copy of this coin on Radium or on the pump.fun just in one click, cheaply and fast. And of course, if you've been in this game, you understand how powerful it is because again, if you jump into the pump.fun, you can see we have lots of copy tokens. For example, we have this guy, like this guy who's showing his morning routine, and there's so many different copies of these tokens, and most of these copies are actually performing really good because usually people miss out on the main token. Of course, it goes to tens of millions of dollars, and of course they also want to make money. That's why they invest in the copy of the main token, and this copy also makes money. And of course, this is where CopyMeme comes in because you can launch a copy in seconds. And now let's move to the fun part. I will show you how to use the platform and how to copy one of these trending coins. For example, let's go for the small puppy. It's trending right now on this platform, and also you can see it's at around $30 million market cap, has 40 replies, and you can see all the links again right here. So let's launch a token. Let's do a normal launch on Radium. You can also do pump.fun. If you click pump.fun, you can actually select how much you want to buy with the developer wallet, same as pump.fun. But again, let's go back and let's do normal launch. This will prompt our Phantom wallet because of course we're using Solana meme coins, and you can see how much it will cost. So let's confirm, and you can see my token was deployed, and you can actually view your token. So you can see right now I have one token, profit and loss, and you can see also what kind of tokens you have. So you can actually track all the tokens you're launching all in one place. And if you check your token on the Soul Scanner, you can actually check out the metadata, and it's going to be the same as the token you're copying. Again, it's all transparent. You can find all info right here. And one more thing, if you're launching your tokens on Radium, you can actually add to the pools, or if you're launching on pump.fun, of course, you're launching like any token on that platform. So you just saw how easy, cheap, and fast it was to launch a copy of trending coin using CopyMeme, and how easy it is to actually track your tokens, your profits, your losses, of course, because it's crypto, you cannot always be winning. But again, now you can see probably why I like this platform, because it simplifies your life and you can copy all of these popular tokens in seconds. What's also really cool, you can also bulk copy. So you can see right here, if you mark free tokens, you can click launch free, and you can actually launch all free tokens at the same time. And again, this shows you the power of this platform because you can do everything super fast and again, super cheap. Because if you would be using the old manual way, you need to find the trending token. And on this platform, all the trending tokens are right here. The list is really big. You can get the grid. Next, you have to fill out the info. Again, it takes time. And then you have to deploy the token. And of course, this is slower. It costs more. And also there is more manual labor, and it's really hard to track your profits. And again, you can see explore coins. And also this platform is building additional tools, volume bots, bundlers, which will in the future help you improve your profits and of course help you make your tokens maybe sometimes bigger than the original. That's why I think this platform could be the next big thing, and we are super early because not that many people know about it. It's still super fresh, and I think if you're early, you can still use the system. Of course, use the cheap prices and launch as many tokens as you want, and of course, make some good profits. Again, guys, I launched this token at a really bad time. I didn't do that much research. That's why probably there's no engagement. But again, guys, if you do more research, if you select hot niche, I think you can make good money using this platform. So guys, again, all the links in the description. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join our free Telegram, link in description and top comment. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you next time.